In this lecture, we will discuss two important properties of derivatives or two important formulae. One is the derivative of a product. Derivative of a product means if fx and gx are two differentiable function. Differentiable function means we can differentiate. Their differentiation exists, possible. Clear? Then the first derivative of their product means multiply, is this is the first function into this is the second function. Then the first derivative d by dx, first derivative of the product is equal to whatever is the first function, write same to same here. There is no change, same to same. And write the differentiation of second, d by dx gx. Write the differentiation of second function. Plus, now you can see another function same to same. One time you need to write this function same, then this need to differentiation. Then another time you need to keep it same and the differentiation of this one. So one time one will be differentiated, another time another will be differentiated. This thing you need to remember. One time this same fx, another time this same gx. When fx is same, we will differentiate it d by dx gx, and when this is same to same, we will differentiate fx. This is the formula. One function same to same, differential of second, plus second same to same, differential of first. This thing you need to remember. You will learn this formula with the help of example. Let us take some example. Example number 1. Y equals to 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5. So this is the first function and this is the second function. This is, you can consider it is fx and you can consider this is gx. So y dash means d by dx, the value of fx into the value of gx. Now how will you calculate? First function same to same, no change, 2x plus 1. Then differentiation of second function. Now plus, now second function same to same, and the differentiation of first function, 2x plus 1. This is. Now 2x plus 1 say no change. Find the differential of this, and when you will find the differential of d by dx 3x minus 5, what it will be? D by dx 3x minus d by dx 5. Now 3 is outside. This may be written as x power 1. So 1 x power 1 minus 1. And minus it is 0 because differential of a constant is 0. So what is the answer? Answer is x power 1 minus 1 is 1, x 1 minus 1 is 0, x power 0 is 1. So the answer is 3. So the answer is 3 here, plus 3x minus 5. Find the answer of d by dx twice of x plus 1. It is d by dx twice of x plus d by dx 1. And 2x means the differential of x was 1. The differential of x is 1 and the differential of 1 is 0. So the answer is 2. This is. Now simplify. Multiply 3 inside. 3 times 2 is 6x plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus. This is first bracket. Second bracket is 2 times 3 is 6. Then minus 5 times 2 is 10. So if you will open the bracket, because plus is there, so no problem. 6 plus 6, 12x. and 3 minus 10 minus 7. This is the answer. Clear? So if two functions are given in product form, so what you need to do is one time you need to keep first function same and differential of second. Then what you need to do? Then keep second same and differential of first. This is a very simple rule. Two functions are there. One will be differentiated in one go. First differentiation, then second differentiation. Okay. Now question number 2. Y equals to 4 plus x and x power 3 minus 5. So what is y dash? It is d by dx, and it is again a product of two functions. This is first function, this is second function. So what it will be? First function differential of second plus now second function and differential of first, 4 plus x. Now you can see one time we have differentiation this function, this one same to same. Another time we have differentiation this one and this same to same. It is not a difficult one. 4 plus x into differential of this one. Let us find d by dx, x power 3 minus 5. So d by dx, x power 3 minus d by dx 5, and x power 3 is 3x power 3 minus 1 minus differential of constant is 0. So it is 3x power 2. So it is 3x power 2 plus x power 3 minus 5 differential of 4 plus x, d by dx 4 plus x. So what it is? D by dx 4 plus d by dx x. Constant differentiation is 0 and x differential is 1. If we are finding the differentiation of x, it is 1. 0 plus 1, it is 1. So the differential of 1 is here. So it is now multiply this inside. 4 into 3, 12x power 2. Multiply it here, multiply it here, and plus 3 into x power 2, x power 3 plus 1 into x power 3, x power 3 minus 1 into 5 is 5. This is one bracket, this is one bracket, because plus in between, so there is no problem. 3x power 3 and x power 3, it is 4x power 3 plus 12x power 2 minus 5. Class. So the process is very, very easy. We are differentiating once keeping first same, then differential of second, and then keeping the second same, differential of first. Clear? And this type of differentiation we have already studied in the previous slide. Okay, so example number 3, we will take some more example. It is y equals to x plus 2 and x square minus 3 by x. Clear? So this is what I told you. You can take x plus 2 and please, this is downside. Check it to numerator, change it to numerator, minus 3x power minus 1. So this is the first function, this is the second function. And y dash equals to d by dx, the first function, the second function. Now, first function same to same. and the differential of second, d by dx, differential of another function, plus second function same to same, and differential of first. This is clear, equals to x power 2. Now you can write the differential here directly. X power 2, it is 2x power 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3. Now x power minus 1. So minus 1 will be here, x power minus 1 minus 1. This is plus x square minus 3x power minus 1. And what is the differential of x? 1. And differential of 2 constant, 0. Differential of x is 1 and differential of 2 is constant, 0. It equals to x plus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 2x. Minus 3 into minus 1, it is plus 3. X power minus 1 is minus 2. Plus x square minus 3x power minus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And if you will multiply, it will remain same. This is the final answer. You can leave your solution here. No need to further solve. But if you want to solve, you can multiply all the terms and simplify. There is no big issue. It is up to you. Okay. So this is how we solve the first derivative problem when the two functions are given in product form, first function and second function. Now, if the functions are given in quotient form means quotient form we call it division form. Division form means if fx and gx are two differentiable function, then the first derivative of quotient fx upon gx is given by. This is little difficult, but you need to learn this formula because there will be a 2-3 marks question over that formula in homework assignment, in quiz 2, in final exam, everywhere you will get. So you need to practice it. What? D by dx fx upon gx, fx divide gx. So here gx will be first, whatever is downside, same to same. Differential of numerator fx. This fx is the numerator, this gx is the denominator. So denominator differential of numerator gx. Here is negative. In product it was plus, but here no plus, here is minus. Because here gx was there, so here fx will be there. When gx is there, differential of fx. When fx is there, differential of gx. Just remember, there will be a negative in between and gx will come first. And divided by whatever you have written, whatever is in denominator, gx, the whole square of it. You can see power 2. This is the formula. This is how we evaluate the derivative of the quotient problem. Like we'll solve 3 examples here. Y is equal to, question is 4x plus 1 upon 3x plus 2. And what is this? This is same as fx divide gx. So what is the value of fx? 4x plus 1. What is the value of gx? 3x plus 2. So y dash equals to d by dx 4x plus 1 upon 3x plus 2. This is. So how we are going to write? 3x plus 2 same to same. Gx same to same. And the derivative of numerator 4x plus 1 minus. Now 4x plus 1 same to same. And the derivative of downside, whatever downside, 3x plus 2 and upon 3x plus 2 whole power 2. This is the formula. Clear? Now simplify it. 3x plus 2 into the derivative of 4x plus 1. So what is the derivative of 4x plus 1? 4 into derivative of x, it is 1, plus derivative of 1 constant 0. Here 4 is in multiplication, so it is out. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of a constant 1, it is 0, minus 4x plus 1 and derivative of 3x plus 2. 3 derivative of x is 1 and plus derivative of 2 constant is 0. Three x plus 2 whole power 2. Okay, so now simplify it. How much it is? 3x plus 2 into 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Minus 4x plus 1 into 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3 upon 3x plus 2 power 2 equals to multiply by 4. 4 into 3, 12x plus 4 into 2, 8 minus. Now every term will be negative because both are plus, or you can put brackets here, minus bracket. 4 into 3 is 12x plus 3 into 1 is 3 upon 3x plus 2 whole power 2. Now open the bracket. 12x plus 8 minus. Minus means inner term will be negative. Minus 3. This term cancel. 12x, 12x. 3x plus 2 whole power 2. 8 minus 3. It is 5 upon 3x plus 2 whole square. Class. This is the solution. So dear friends, you need to practice these questions. You need to solve same question 2 times, 3 times. Then you will understand what steps we are taking to get the output. Okay, so this is the formula. Only we use the formula here. Rest is calculation. Rest is simplification process that you need to learn, that you can learn by practicing only. Question number 2. Y equals to x square upon 9x minus 7. So value of y dash, it is 9x minus, oh sorry, it will be d by dx, x power 2 upon 9x minus 7. It is 9x minus 7 derivative of x power 2 minus x power 2 derivative of 9x minus 7 power 2. This is the formula. Downside 9x minus 7 derivative of x power 2 minus x power 2 numerator derivative of downside at 9x minus 7 upon 9x minus 7 whole square. Solve it. 9x minus 7 and the derivative of x power 2, 2x power 2 minus 1 minus x power 2 derivative of 9 into differential of x, it is 1 minus derivative of 7 is 0 upon 9x minus 7 whole power 2. So how much we are getting? It is 9x minus 7, 2x power 2 minus 1. It is 2x minus x power 2 into 9 into 1 is 9 upon 9x minus 7 whole power 2 is equal to 2x into 9x, 18x power 2 minus 7 into 2x. 7 into 2x is 14x minus 9 into x power 2 upon 9x minus 7 whole square. And it equals to how much? 18x square minus 9. So it is 9x square and minus 14x upon 9x minus 7 whole power 2. This is the answer. It is not solvable further. Clear? So here we use the division formula. Rest is simple calculation. Rest process you will learn by practice only. Okay. One more question we will take for the quotient function, and it is number 3, y equals to x power 2 minus 3x upon 3x plus 4. So what is y dash? Y dash means d by dx x power minus 3x upon 3x plus 4. So it will be the denominator downside 3x plus 4 same to same, differentiation of upside x square minus 3x minus, now numerator same to same, x square minus 3x, and differentiation of downside 3x plus 4 upon 3x plus 4 power 2 is equal to 3x plus 4 into, now what is the differential of x power 2? 2x power 2 minus 1 minus 3 into differential of x, it is 1. Differential of x, it is 1 minus x square minus 3x, and the differential of 3 into x, 3, the differential of x is 1 plus differential of 4, 0 upon 3x plus 4 whole square equals to 3x plus 4 into 2x power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 2x minus 3 into 1 is 3 minus x square minus 3x into 3 into 1 is 3 plus 0. It is 3 upon 3x plus 4 power 2 equals to, now if you want to simplify, so 3x into 2x, it is 6x. 3x into 3 minus 9x. 4 into 2 plus 8x. 4 into 3 minus 12. You need to multiply each term. Minus plus minus x square into 3, 3x power 2. And minus plus 3 into 3, 9x. 3 into 3, 9x. Minus plus. Clear? And plus 9x cancelled by minus 9x upon 3x plus 4 power 2. Now simplify. First term is minus 3x power 2. X term 6 plus 8, 14x. Minus 12 and upon 3x plus 4 power 2. So this is how we are solving the questions. Only the first term is the formula. First term is the use of differentiation. Then rest is calculation. Okay. So in this lecture, dear friends, we have learned two important properties. The first derivative of product and division. Thank you.